Okay, let's get this party started. I think I have everything. For once, guys, I'm organized. How weird. How odd. I'm organized. Kind of. Weird little bit of a break and do. I have not fully looked through, so I haven't touched anything yet. Don't ask me why, but I opened it up and I had the watermark and I thought, let me leave it. Mainly because everyone always asks me, so let's just leave it up. Let's just leave it there. I have 2 more things. That's one. Second one is this. Okay. Oh, Mudcrab, what up? How's it going? Have you downloaded Discord yet? Asking for a friend. How's it going? Hey, yeah. Hey, LP, what's up? How's it going? David. How's everybody doing? Happy tomorrow eve. There we go. How was everyone's Christmas? How was everyone's... I nearly asked how everyone's New Year's was. We're not there yet, guys. New Year's is soon, but not yet. Oh! Mudcrab. I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed, okay? So you're gonna make me cry. Just kidding. Anyways, so as I was saying... Anyways... As I was saying... I wanted to do something again. Okay, sorry. Moving on. So, oh, there's a lot of messages. Maybe. Here we go. Yeah, I know. We need to get... LP, that sounds like next year's problem. We have these 2 days, and then we're good to go. Oh, Thomas, hi! Apple butter, how you doing? How's everyone doing? My Christmas was fantastic. I'm sorry, just had lots. That's valid. Still trying to settle in after we moved in. Well. I get it. I get it. Okay. Give me 2 seconds, guys. I just have to open a gate for someone. Let me just make sure. Sorry, if there could be like 15 of me, it would be ideal, but there's not. Done. Okay, is there a bad lad? No. Hey Rail, what's up? Is silver going up? Apparently I'm just the ladder and I must have fixed it at the moment. My crap, I get it. Aw, Rail, cheers. Right, what am I doing? Well, right now... Here we go. I'm sorting things out. Monica, how was Christmas? It was okay. You know, it was okay. I see that the markets haven't been doing amazing things. That sounds mean, but they haven't been doing amazing things. I see they've just been steadily carrying on, right? That's been taken. I'm now going to zoom in a little bit further now. Sort out some more levels, but nothing to write home about, basically. And that's cool. Who's been trading this whole time? You know, asking out of curiosity. Who has been trading this whole time and how's it been going? Absolutely ridiculous. Because, again, it doesn't look like it's done that much. new, what should I watch to learn on YouTube? Ooh, Cyril, hi. I think it's gone mad. Really? Good morning, Only True Trader. What's up? My next Christmas, we have a Christmas together. Oh, there we go. Thanks, David. I'll tell my grand. Oh, I forgot kind of. Mud crab? I would judge, except for the fact that I have done that plenty of times in front of family. Family affairs and me are not a great combination. Square Bob Sponge Pants. Hi. I always feel like I'm having a bit of a moment every time I read that. I'm just making sure here. Okay, well, they haven't read it yet, so I'm going to assume not. Perfect play. What's up? Oh, Thomas, you have a stack of silver. Is it going as well as Rail says it is? Okay, where was open? Let's start with that. Do we have any... Oh, we do have a little... We have a little one. We have an itty bitty little one. There's a little N-log. Okay. Why have I lost everything? Well, that's fantastic. I have lost everything. That's awesome. What the actual heck? Huh, that's amazing. I have to try find my GAN and awesome stuff. Cool, this is gonna be a very entertaining stream for everybody today. Anyways, let's get to... What's up, Perry? Perry's here coming to judge me. Not the... No. I'll sort that out later. Oh, no. Okay, long position, short position, seriously. Have to go through everything again. Don't bark at them, it's okay. There's my little rectangle. Praise! Like 89. Have it not bad? Go. I don't know how this is... Anyways. Mudcrab, you want to see the 4 hour? I can show you the 4 hour. Good grief. Good grief, buddy bear. Are you good? Where are you at? Why can't I find you? Can anyone find him and get rid of him? Moving on. Do I code? I don't code. Sorry. I do know someone that codes. Right? Only for cool. It's not just me. I'm like, what is happening? Huh. How weird. Anyways, moving on. Okay. This is gonna make me cry. Yep, there we go. See the London? Yep, apple butter. It definitely is, as always. Oh, this is gonna make me so upset. Okay. Maybe this is just the sign that I must now move back over to Tradeovate and TradingView. Maybe I need to sort that out before London session. Ah, well. It is what it is. I have to try to remember my settings now. I have them somewhere. Oh, nicely. Okay. So here's the new weekly opening gap. I don't like that it's pink. Let's maybe... Yes, no, come back. Okay. Border. I'm fine with you having a border, but just be blue. Middle line. I do want a middle line. Again, blue, please. Thank you. And background. Can be gray. Dark gray. No, that gray's good. Okay. And let's add the little texty text of... Yes, text. Thank you. Nlog. Let's make it white. Okay. No. Okay, wait. Text needs to send to make it the center or the right. Probably the right here. The right might be better. Okay. Denzio, am I not AI? I'm not AI. Sorry. Can never hide from David. No. Never, ever, ever. I used to play around with some code, nothing special, mainly for data entry and website design, but I kind of got busy with life. That makes sense. Ah. Bob Sponge Pants, you really want to join? You can join my Discord, I think. Are you still struggling? But here we go. I got you. I think. Change timeline and back. Oh, what do you mean timeline and back? Mudcrab? What? Oh, Ace Ventura, I didn't even say hi to you. I'm so sorry. I've missed a bunch of things. I'm learning how to code in Python. Laura? That doesn't sound quite right. I think I ate about 15 kilograms of prawns over Christmas. Ooh, Mudcrab, that kind of sounds amazing. I'm not gonna lie. I'm kind of jelly right now. I'm so jelly. Okay. I'm definitely jelly. Like I had food, but I feel like I didn't seize the opportunity enough. Does that make sense? I should have eaten more. Anyways. Let's see what we get out of this. Where the heck are these people? Good question, Only True Trade. Are they like somehow hiding themselves? It's like low-key impressive. Anyways. Some bearish sentiment on laundry room. Excellent, very weak fundamentals. Urging, so we could see a recovery. Hey Raby, Global Risk Management. What's up? How goes it? I'm always the yeah. They're evolving? Only True Trade, that is hilarious. Wait, is anyone trading today, by the way? Who is trading? Who's not trading? What are the plans? Who's thinking of what? Yeah. Hey Solly, what's up? How's it going? I made like 2 hours ago on a short. Damn, Thomas. Thomas, did you ever take a break at all or not really? Do you agree with Dave Ramsey's baby steps? Hapa, I haven't really read it, but if he's talking about baby steps with trading, then most likely, yes. Shoot, do you know what I do have to do now? Let me go flipping find this. So I can get my correct levels. Goodness gracious me. Okay. This is just... it started chaotic. Here we go. It's just chaotic. So chaotic. Oh, so chaotic. And it's not even the new year yet. Okay, I feel like I have actually missed some decent trades, but it is what it is. Where is this? No? No? Okay, I found it. I don't know if this is gonna make noise. I apologize if this makes noise. This might make noise. Can you guys hear this? True. Meow. Cool. Back to sorting things out. Okay. 0.2. Nope, not 3.2, 0.2. Again, 0.5. Yeah. 1 and green and 1.1. Yes? Yeah! Cool. Okay. Don't need left labels. I'll keep the right labels. No background. Thanks. Everything else goes away. Well, that was easy. Okay. Moving on. This is assigned to just use it for... Wow. I'm not trading. I'm not full of starting dinner because... And she's demanding I cook. Wow. I mean, that's valid. Is this assigned to just use it for... Why do you... What? Only true trader, why are you hating on my little GAN? That feels really mean. What did my GAN do to you? Dumb, didn't trade for a week. Feels weird to sit on and off the charts again. Yeah, dumb, I feel weird being back. Like, I'm excited, don't get me wrong. I'm super excited to be back. I'm gonna keep double checking. There we go. Like I said, super excited to be back. Nope. So that would have been a win. Would I have taken that one though? I'm not so sure. That one's better. Either way, it would have been a win. This looks like it might start going to the buy side though. Okay. We are back to being focused. Where's 3 a.m.? Oh, this is the 3 a.m. Awesome. Okay, so 3 a.m. open, 3 a.m. Why am I saying it so weird? 3 a.m. open. Awesome. We got Bob level down there. At least I still have my Bob levels. Can you imagine? Anyways. Oh, 4 hour. Sorry. Yes. 4 hour. Let's do... That's not 4 hour. There we go. Here's the 4 hour. Let's check it. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'll get rid of the noise. There we go. Ooh. Oh, this is an interesting level. Oh, that's what I don't have still. I don't have my lines. Okay, I'll get my lines just now. But this is very interesting. Do you think it's coming to fill this gap here? This massive gap that it got me the other day. Anyways. And also, can you tell me exactly what open is? I can't really see. TV because no one's too lazy. But also on the couch while I cook. That's valid, mud crab. It's okay. You think it's about to break out? 4 hour got trashed. Hello, baby. What's up? Oh, do you want to come say hi? Yeah, no, I need to trader. I'm agreeing with you. I think it wants to come mitigate. Mitigate? No. Okay, I thought he wanted to come say hi. He apparently did not. That's okay. Yeah. Is it now? Is it? That's interesting. That's very interesting. Interesting how the world just brings about signs, hey? Okay. I'm not gonna lie, I went to bed with a massive headache, and I've still got it. Okay, let's go back to the 1 minute. Let's now see. Ba-ba-ba-bum. Our 3R might come back to opening price one more time. Oh. Potentially missed that. Dagnabbit. Let's watch. It's going back to that imbalance. Come on, there we go. There's huge imbalance that came. When was this? Last week Tuesday. Last week Tuesday. There was a lot that went on last week Tuesday. Wow, okay. Which means it's going to go to this bob level, so I do know where it's going. Awesome. It's just how quickly do we think it's gonna go there? I am only true trader, can you tell? I think it's also because nothing is where it should be, and it's bugging me. Okay, you're right. Let's find the brain cells one more time. Okay. But I'm back. Kind of. I'm here today and tomorrow. And then... Oh, do you know what it is, guys? I haven't had a sip of my coffee yet. I hopped on. I didn't even clock that half of my things were now missing, which is so annoying. No. Am I stuttering? Did I stutter? Sorry. I agree that David Guy seems like a good person. Bob has a great cure for headaches, apparently. Really? What is it? I'm kind of curious now. What is the great cure for headaches? I would love to know. Bob tells me if you sniff paint, it helps with headache. Anyways, guys, and it's only theoretically been like I missed like 3 days last week, obviously, because of Christmas and stuff. And now I feel weird because it's gonna happen again. I'm gonna stream today and stream tomorrow, and then I'm gonna be away. Well, I say away. You know, then everyone says the 31st, 1st, and 2nd. There's no point. Anyways, there's no point in trading, so I'll take those days to touch some grass. Let's get ourselves ready for the new year, because I want to start this new year with a bang. I think it's gonna be awesome. But point is that I think I missed this trade. I mean, this price action's kind of trash. If I don't get trades in the next 2 days and I just forward test a little bit, it's not the end of the world. Like I said, price action, not ideal, and I don't think it's gonna get much better, but that's fine. Anyways. I'm sure we could do that. What would Bob do? I don't know, what would Bob do? I feel like Bob would like say, drink some whiskey or something. I could be lying though, but I feel like that's something Bob would say. Woke up, again, reset, half your things are gone. That's it. In like days with no streams. I know, only true trader. And do you know what? I'm not gonna lie, I missed you guys. I missed you guys a lot. Not being able to stream and not being able to trade. I was like, I don't know what to do with myself. And then, oh, guys, how do you guys do it? Trying to explain trading to your family. Wow, was that fun? That was, anyways. How about, yes, I am from South Africa. What's it? Some guy, happy Monday. How's it going? Holiday time is what it is. Maya from Prawn Overload Recovery. Yeah, she's Australian now. And also hangover kills. Ah, there we go. See. The green bulk, yeah, I'm trading on YouTube live every day. Well, I say that. I didn't know over Christmas and stuff because, well, it's Christmas and stuff. But yeah, here we are. Hope you all had a nice festive fun time. Well, I mean, festivities aren't over yet. We've read full the news on both the 30th and 31st. Damn, okay. Well, I'll trade on, well, so tomorrow is the 30th for me, so I'll trade tomorrow still, but I won't trade the 31st, 1st, or 2nd. Yeah. Chat, please refrain from saying. I stopped explaining always ends as it's gambit. Oh, only true trader. Luckily not. Luckily they were low-key really supportive, which was weird. Yeah, it was really, really weird for me. I was a bit like, you know when you're a bit uncomfortable and you're waiting for the mean comments, but they were nice, and I was like, oh, okay. But yes, then they start asking questions, and I was like, wow. I remember when I knew nothing about trading. Okay, so this looks like it's headed towards a win. I was checking out the 4-hour chart, which is why I missed this one, but it's fine. Aw, Joda, thank you. If you can tell them it's like gambling, except to the casino with the edge of information with your market wiggles. I love that. Next week is looking amazing in terms of news. Well, I'm excited to start next. Like I said, I'm excited to start next week with a bang. I think it is going to be super cool. Starting the day. Hit the like. Oh, thanks, Jodo. You're so sweet. Anyways, hair of the dog. Yeah. Anyway, okay. Which ones do I usually trade? I focus on NAS 100 and 8 twisted pages. So yeah, NASDAQ futures, the micros to be specific though. But yeah, I trade the NASDAQ futures and I have ES on the side here. But I'm still, I say I'm still new. I feel like a newbie. I haven't traded in a few days and I'm just like, what am I looking at? Is it just me? Like it's good. I think you come back with a refreshed mind. But I'm also kind of like, what am I looking at right now? No, that's a terrible thing to say. But yeah, I trade the NASDAQ futures. Welcome. Sorry, I haven't streamed in like 5 days in a row, which is super weird for me. Had way too much of a holiday, and my dog gave me whiplash this morning. He saw a crab, and he just like lunged at it, all freaking like 40 kilograms of him. And I was not expecting that, so yes, needless to say, I definitely got some whiplash. So that was unplanned. And Maya knew nothing about trading. She would just make sure answering what she gets question on most with, am I single? Yeah, exactly. Only true trader, you nearly made me die. Let's start the new year with a full port. So only true trader, is that what you're gonna do for your first stream? You're just gonna full port? Don't think I've forgotten, but anyways, Laura, what's up? How's it going? Half account long, half account short, no stop loss. One way's gonna win. I mean, some guy, if you come here with logic, we can't argue, can we? Mana and still feel new. Yeah, Joda, 100%. And it's weird. Ah, okay, so this would have been a win, but that's okay. Ooh. NQ's a little bit stronger than ES today. For now, let's see. You are still new. You're learning every day and you're learning very quickly. Way faster than most. Aw, thanks, Mudcrab. It's from you guys being amazing teachers, just saying. I thought y'all forgot about the stream. Only true trader. Wish you a very happy new year. Oh, girl, thank you. Oh, Jody, yes, have a great day or night wherever you're at. I hope you sleep well. Oh, wow. Wow. Yay! Square Bob Sponge Pants. Amazing. I'm excited. Welcome. Ah, so this would have been a really good win. I know where it's headed. Okay, I know where it's headed. I know where it's headed. It's now to just get an entry. Can I even enter? I don't know if I can enter. I want to say I can enter, but I don't actually know if I can enter. Can I enter? Let me just check this. Give me 2 seconds. Okay, we're good. Okay. Done. SpongeBob, is your name like Oopie Goopy? I just saw something on Discord where I just saw Oopie Goopy and I was like, what did I just read? Yep. It is. It's Oopie Goopy. I love it. I love that so much. Oopie Goopy is my new freaking favorite thing. Okay, anyways. Hey, jeez. Boom Banana! What's up? How's it going, Boom? You didn't post any photos of Japan, which I'm kind of sad about. Please, 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 please. I want to see photos of Japan. I'm so jelly. I want to start a new channel on shape. Oh, Twisted Pages? Really? Interesting. What makes you want to? Listen, it's not easy, just by the way. Sorry, I know I'm being very slow with responding. You guys are gonna have to let me wake up. I haven't had coffee yet. I'm slipping it slowly. And you can see I have a small mug today. It's so boring. Oh well. I got my small mug. Because the other one is being washed. So it's fine. No, good grief. Okay. I don't think people understand what I'm in a meeting means. Okay. That should hopefully work. Ta-da! Done. Sorry, I'm trying to triple task. Well, that's frustrating. Wouldn't have even tagged me in. You don't need those. You don't deserve. Oh, Boom! Why don't I deserve those photos? That's so mean. Anyways, Hogs, how's it going? You went to a car show. That's pretty cool. Maya just say small as possible. Okay. Anyways, looks like you trade support and resistance. Twisted Pages, it's more like market auction theory, but I guess theoretically it's market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. That would have missed me by a tick. That would have been frustrating. Oh well. Again, I low-key feel like I'm gonna be... I'm gonna be chasing if I try and get in on this. I know where it's going. I just have to get in. And this feels really close. Okay. David, how did you know? Wow. Missing a lot. Aw, thanks, Mud Crab. You're so sweet. A little bigger than that. Yo, wow. I'm here for the relaxing vibes. Papa, you're so sweet. How about do you trade? What's your thing? We all know he's unhinged. Yep. Oh, hi, Live. How's it going? What up? What's up, Mike G the goat? Mike G the goat. What's up? How's it going? Okay. How was everyone's Christmas? Am I bummed about this? Yep, but could I get in on this, and is it chasing? Oh. Oh, it just took out the liquidity on ES. It just took out these shorts, so it could have a bit of a bigger retest back up. Do I do something dumb? Do I not do something dumb? Do I do something dumb? Do I not do something dumb? Is trading this time of year potentially dumb unless your name is Thomas and you're amazing at trading? Oh well. Go for the throat. East Coast? No. You don't trade but would like to learn. Oh, amazing. That is awesome, Hapa. Yeah, listen. Trading has a lot of life skills worked into it, ironically. Now this is starting to look better. If it comes back up one more time. This is starting to look better. What time is it? Let's have a look. 3:34. Thanks. Some guy also. What a freaking awesome trade. Are you still in it? Mudcrab, do it. Watch it hit TP. Guys. Short the market. Don't do that. Hey, Spice and Dice, how's it going? What are those lines on the chart? The lines? Which lines? These lines? My GAN box. It's my GAN box. In fact, it wants to go back up. Should I do a cheeky one? A cheeky one. Or maybe a cheeky two. Cheeky two. It's a cheeky two. This is a super cheeky two. And I'm saying it's cheeky because I know it's cheeky, but it's fine. It's the holidays. We're starting with a YOLO. That's not great, but okay. We'll get the discipline back after. Like I said, it took out on ES, which is not ideal. However, it has not mitigated that. Is it though? It could be cheekier. Aw, no, it didn't come get me. Why didn't you come get me? That feels mean. Okay, let's just follow you down a little bit more. I know where it's going. It just has to come and tag me in first, which it's not doing. Okay, well, it's going to where I want it to go. Again, it's just not coming to get me. I didn't think I could trade, actually. I thought... Anyways, my prop was closed. Maybe not. If this does come back up, I might be screwed. 3 or 4. Spice and Dice, is this day trading? This is indeed day trading. Oh, what's up? Zoom? What, do you want me to zoom out? Anyways, jumped off the diving board and hit the bottom of the pool. Anyways, genuinely love this trade. Hey, Mudcrab. Right, it looks good, but it didn't come get me. Again, The stop loss could be in a better position. This might actually be better. But it's fine. We'll stick with it. I did like where it was. It just didn't come and get me. Sad. Very, very sad. How about this one? Meow. Watch this one now work. I mean, it made a pretty hectic doji on ES, so maybe not. The logic of human discount from swing high to swing price tends to retest 50, which uses as entry. Oh, only true trader? Yeah, nice. Basically, should be about 40 R and then out. Some guy, that is ridiculous. That is absolutely ridiculous. So are you like done? No. Sugar, honey, iced tea. It's just going all the way down without me. If it does one more retest, it's good, but I don't know if it will. This is my my level. Maybe. Maybe. Maybe not. Never mind. If it hits the Bob level, I'm out. Because then it could start doing some weird and wonderful things. Mud crab, I know, and it's not coming to get me, and it's so mean. When scalp entries can turn into swing trades, your aura becomes insane. Valid. Hey Rip, what's up? How's it going? No, it's just gone without me. How disgusting. Sugar honey iced tea. Man. I mean, it still hasn't quite touched that level, but I feel like it's close enough to touching it for it to be. Just from logic and backtesting that price tends to retrace 50%, but any entry model works with logic. The entry ain't the strategy. Yeah. Only true trader. Valid. You definitely right. I understand. Never hold after TP. I'm trying to get better at that. Whoa. Thomas, isn't your goal to at least leave a runner after TP? Wasn't that kind of the goal? Low-key. Yes, no, maybe. Wasn't that low-key the goal? Kind of. It's Bob level and you aren't tagged in. I know, guys, it's so mean. Hey, Daz, what's up? How's everyone doing? I've missed you guys so much. It hasn't hit the Bob level though, but I don't know if I'm now being cheeky because it basically hit the Bob level and it's kind of gonna. Come on, just trust in that. Let's zoom out quickly. Okay. 5 minute. No, there we go. Can take, and I still think it wants to go further down to that imbalance. It was on the 4 hour, hey? Let's check the 15 minute. Oh, this looks good. Um, 1 hour. Thank you. Ooh. Oh, it tapped in slightly on the 1 hour. Oh no. This could be a possible retracement back, and price moves lower, doesn't have to increase. Well, I've missed a bunch, sorry. I'm gonna respond now. Oh, sugar, honey, iced tea, okay. This is now no longer a great trade. Oh, sad. Okay. Has indeed come for this imbalance, which is what we thought it would do. Okay. Damn. And it did tap into that imbalance now. And has anyone else been? How's fishing? Fishing? Rip? I can go fishing. Are you talking about this? Has anyone been playing Arc Raiders? I picked it up on Saturday. Good fun, really enjoying it. I've heard really good things about it, some guy. I think you should just let this trade go. No point in following it now. Yeah. I think so. I think it's past the point. It hit that level. There it is. When she ran after your TP. Price moves lower. Doesn't that decrease your odds of hitting a take profit level? Not empty. So there's a lot of things that you look at. Sorry. there's a lot of things that you have to have a look at. So you also have your confluences. So it's not just arrange and hope and pray. Like there's confluences that go into it as well as price action. And like I said, it hit the fair value gap or took out the imbalance on the higher time frame. Okay, so now it's definitely hit. Man, oh well. It definitely hit, and that's okay. Give me 2 seconds, I'm just gonna send a message here. Talk about the trade. I haven't. Well, I didn't take anything this morning because I had to make sure. And well, as you can see, it didn't tag me into anything. And now, wait, I've missed a message. Someone asked me something about my setup. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where? Trusted pages. There we go. What's your setup to be able to share your charts and yourself going live like this? Well, I mean, I use my GAD box. Yeah. And there's a bunch of confluences that go into it as well. Let's see if this one would have worked. I don't think so though. Nope. It's just running away without me. It's just going down, down, down. Again, I'm kind of surprised I was even able to place a trade. I kind of thought my broker was on holiday. Oh well, I'm not gonna complain. Fishing for trades. Lucky duck in the house, honestly. What? So wait, Rip? I'm assuming you're still hands off, right? Until the 5th? When do you start trading again, Rip? What did my Christmas day look like? Did you catch up with loved ones and have a good day? Sure. Went to my 1 gran on the 24th and then went to my aunt and uncle and their cousins and yeah, it was just chilled. Again, I'm a little bit of the black sheep of the family, so I kind of just sit there, listen to conversation and nod my head. I will much rather chat to you guys about trading any days, but it's okay. Do I use Fib? I use my GAN box, Square Bob's Sponge Pants. Thank you for giving me a headache from trying to read that, but it's okay. Listen, this is telling me to say. He has no idea what you're saying, but you sound smart using all the trading lingo. Mudcrab, tell her thank you. Are you good? Oh, okay. Tell your missus thank you very, very much. I appreciate that. I try. Sometimes I sound smart, and other days I'm there and I'm like, I don't know anything, and that's okay. Should have made like, damn, that's nice, David. Look at you balling. Sure. Love from Pakistan. Hi, welcome, welcome. Love from South Africa. And so after the 7th of Jan, why the 7th, Rip? Dr. H, how much percent of my account do you risk per trade? Like, what's it, 1%? Not even? This way is incredibly tedious. Oren Craig? Why do you say that? Black sheep, relatable. Yep, literally. It's a thing. Having a look. Are they? You are the black sheep. Oh, wait a sec. What? Excuse me? Holly's here, and he's just like, you know what? Today I'm gonna throw some hands. Today is the day we're gonna start throwing some hands for fun. Wow, sorry, how rude. Anyways, no, they're just like super artsy and creative, and I'm just like, not. Feel like marking the setup I saw earlier, I would be drawing the box from 301 to 302. The liquidity sweep target would be at 308. Okay, wait. You know what's frustrating? I saw this trade and I didn't take it, but it's okay. What? Okay, wait. Thomas, let's try this again. I feel like marking the setup I saw earlier. It would be drawing a box from 301 to 302, yeah. Would be at 308. So did you take a short here? I'm trying to understand how you did this. I'll be trading again on the 4th. Our internet gets set back up on the 3rd, but I usually do sit out over the holiday period. Ooh, nice. Yeah, guys, please don't forget to like the stream. Let's get this... Well, I was gonna say let's get this going. We'll start with a bang next year. These 2 days are just to get us going and back into the flow of things. Specifically me, I feel so weird not being able... Well, not being able to stream. You know, obviously I wasn't able to stream. I was busy with family and stuff. Who cares? Not me. What's up? Another Australian. How's it going? No, I'm joking. I remember you because I know I feel bad saying who cares. And I feel so rude saying that. But anyways. I can't like in the stream just costs too much. Yeah, obviously. It's just a lucky number. Wait, are you serious? I can't tell if that's correct. Hey, Baka, what's up? Where have I been? It's been holiday. Draw a brox. A brox. Draw a brox. Starting amazing. From the low of 301 to the high of 302, you'll observe price level of the zone. Okay. Okay, but then you said 308 was your... your clue, right? You observe price level. Leave the zone, yep. Then tap back in, yep. That tap back was at 308, yep. Once price leaves and comes back to sweep, that's your entry. Oh, interesting. Oh, interesting. Okay. Square Bob, Sponge Pants, do I ever trade gold? I have traded gold. I have, like twice. Sorry, nothing super exciting. I gave it a try. It felt foreign. I know they much of a muchness, right? They're pretty much the same. It felt foreign. I think I started with the Nasdaq futures. It's just what my friend suggested to me, specifically for the micros, because I'm new and I don't want to blow through capital. So I started with the Nasdaq futures, specifically for that reason of not blowing through my capital. And yeah, I kind of decided I wanted to get good at one asset before I started jumping around. I did look at gold, but naturally the days I tried to trade gold, NQ was amazing and gold was terrible, and vice versa. So that was very frustrating. Did I mess it up? Square Bob Sponge Pants. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Square Bob Sponge Pants. It hurts my brain saying that. It really does. If you had an order, it would have filled at 316, 317. So, do you know what's frustrating, Thomas? I did actually have this set up. No, where did I put it? Was it here? I think I actually had this. Excuse me, can we... Oh, that's what's happening. There we go. I had this set up for this. Do you see how beautifully it actually would have swept in and gone straight down? And if I had a runner, I would potentially still be in this. But it's okay. You learn, right? You live and you learn. I did have the setup. I was still collecting my brain cells and nothing was up and running yet, so I was in low-key panic mode. So now that I'm out of panic mode, I'm going seriously. I can't believe I missed that. At least I tried to get in on this. This wouldn't have tagged me in. This now, it's hit the level of interest I wanted it to, so I'm wait for confirmation of, is it continuation or reversal that's going to happen now that it's hit that 4 hour, well, it's filled the 4 hour imbalance. Hey Nation, you're new to the day trading scene, but my brain is still trying to get grasp on things on the platform. Hey, well, welcome. If you have any questions, you are more than welcome to also join the Discord. Please, by all means, guys, you guys are more than welcome to join the Discord. Ask away. An awesome community. Yeah, definitely. Tops. That's why I missed you guys. If you guys weren't an awesome community, I would have been like, have to stream again, damn it. But I was like, yay, I get to stream again. So I was super, super excited. You'll probably, oh, Rip, I saw that. Rip, come back. Username queue, yep. No mad crap, I do have. People seem baffled when I mention this model. Is it? Okay, wait. So Thomas, let me pause. What makes you draw the range or the box here? Like, why is this your box? And not like a 5 minute or, oh, yeah. Why is this your box? Out of curiosity. Or is it quite difficult to explain right now? Silver's moving really well. You should look at it. Big V, I'll have a look. I've been trading since April and she's still trying to... Oh. Wow. Silver goes off around Christmas. That's... Why? Wait, it sounds like judgy, but why? Why does silver go off around Christmas? See, I'm learning things. Always learning. Very dangerous. Price action, by the way. Yeah, Rip, don't worry. I'm being careful. Like I said, anything that I do, I'm like... I'm not even mitigating risk by half. I'm mitigating it by like a quarter. It's like, this much. I'm risking this much. Just in case, because the price action can be funny. It's why I'm hands off right now, because like I said, it hit my level of interest. Does that make sense? Yeah. So now I need confirmation about which direction we headed again, and that's fine. Not prefer pop-up box for better sniper entries, but range base is still good. Hey Gok, what's that? How's it going? Buy low, sell high. Exactly, Anthony M. It's why I use my auction market theory. Ganbox, right? It's specifically kind of for that reason. Buy in discount, sell in premium. I'm gonna look for a little gotcha up on the telly for such watching me when I can. Aw. Awesome, Mudcrab, you're awesome. Thank you. That is so cool. That's the problem. That in this PA, you can't find the bottom and you'll get abused. Awesome. Check high time frames to get the picture, then go back to 5 1 minute for possible entry. Square Bob, I did. That's why I'm hands off, because it did indeed fill. Let me show you, especially on the 4 hour. Flip. It's now filled this imbalance. It might go lower, potentially further down into this order block, but it has officially filled this imbalance, which I was waiting for it to do. It's where I thought it would come back down into, which it has. I mean, there's a little bit more to fill down here. It didn't completely fill the previous NWOG. Yeah. I think that's why it's at a little bit of a scary point right now. It could go either way, but it filled my point of interest. Hey, Silver Bullet, what's up? Okay. Range is 4, markup box, I, inducement, break out of range. Don't take induced trade liquidity, see off the trend direction. Oh, okay, some guy, I get that. But again, how do you confirm the range? Is it just if it accumulates for like 3 candles, then you're like, ah, boom, there's the range? Is that what makes you get that range? I think that's more the question. I'm from Ireland. What people need to get into retail business demos website for. Orange, see what's up? How's it going? What's good? Sorry, check the 4. Yep, nothing good trades today. Yeah, hogs, exactly. Hey, Silver Bullet, what's up? Let's not use that figure of speech. Just wait for that 4-hour candle to close. Silver Bullet, how was my Christmas? Yeah, it was good. Oh, David, also be nice to Rip. No. Cookies and cream. There's 3 dogs running outside on the road. Hey, Irv, what's up? Pick blue chip, not penny stocks. I'm glad that's the best way to trade. So how did you start? Where did you start? When it came down to it? Hey, Nation. So how did I start? Well, I started with learning the basics. I think that's number 1. Number 1 is basics. Gotta start there. Like, I learned what... Ooh, you put me on the spot now. Like what a fair value gap is, and then you learn basically, I don't want to say market auction, I think that's a little bit of a step above, but you learn what a fair value gap is, then what an order block is, and then from there you start to look at your confluences, I'm lying, consolidations, and hey, looky, sorry, got distracted. I told you. See, I'm learning, guys. Okay, I know I got overly excited about that, but it's okay. And then from there you start to find a strategy that works for you, and then you practice that strategy, learn the correct execution of the strategy, what do's and don'ts, find your confluences, your confirmations. I feel like I've gone on a little bit of a random rant about this, sorry. I kind of look at live price action either from higher time frames and lower time frames. I can break the structure with liquidity. There's no liquidity, then zone doesn't have liquidity. Okay. Oh, Silver Bullet, what's my New Year's resolution? Sweet and simply, it's just to pass this damn eval. Like, sweet and simple. I just want to pass this eval. Hopefully within the first, what? Should we say the first 3 months? I don't know if that's maybe being too optimistic, but if I could pass my first eval, essentially before April, right? Pass my first eval before a year, of trading. That could be quite cool. But it is what it is. 806. We have a rip level. And it has 1 hour to get there. Okay. Let me wait for confluences before I start diving into this. Would look something like this. Better range would be there, but I mean, it's not terrible. It's not terrible. Five, but wait for confirmation. Wait for confirmation. It's like playing chess. Yeah, rip. No, but that's exactly. I'm waiting for confirmation. Noise and proper pullbacks and what move is actually like liquidity and not protected harm. No. Only true trader first month. That is... Wow. Give yourself a first. Yeah. Sounds kind of like a Bob Star, just using it with my trading, at least for directional bias, and get the setups in that direction more room to take them. You pass even look how much better you got. Aw, thanks David, I appreciate that. Is this real trading you practicing? Anthony M? No, real trading? Well, when I get a proper setup, so I guess sometimes it's sitting here and it feels like we're just practicing, which is a bit frustrating. Merbanana. Oh wait, Merbanana. No, Merbanana can stay. He's funny. Yeah, only true trade. I know it's now the sizing thing, right? But that'll come when there's again proper price. Hopefully, there's proper price action next year. I'm gonna regret not taking this on time. I feel like I am. But I need confirmation before I just jump into this. So I'm talking myself out of potentially doing something stupid. Come at me. Anyways. Mudcrab, you hilarious. Okay. So that was a bit of a missed opportunity there, but it's fine. Little taken. Might come back down now. Okay. Mudcrab, you'd enter. Just take it if your rules say yes. I mean, I got 1, 2. I have 3. Okay, I'll do the cowardly thing and just take 2. Yeah, that looks good. Okay. So, I mean, this is itty bitty. Yeah, it's itty bitty. Like I said, I'm risking way less than I normally do. And either this works or it doesn't. Ow. Come back to my crap, but I... Okay, sort of like deciding whether to date... Earth? Okay. I have a thing about New Year's resolutions. New Year, new me, and all that. Most people set these resolutions and fail, going in hard with unrealistic targets from the word go. Having already waited some amount of time to get a New Year to start the first one seems maybe I'm just a grumpy old man, so I'm glad that's hilarious. You know what it is? I think it's because it feels like, especially in South Africa, I don't know if it feels like it for the rest of the world, but in South Africa, it feels like December is just kind of like a shutdown period. It feels like nothing happens, everyone chills, everything just slows down like hectically over December. So when everything starts up again, Jan, feels like you starting fresh. I mean, guys, I napped during the day. It was weird, and I'm pretty sure it's the reason why I have headaches. It's because I actually like slept during the day. It's so weird for me. I'm a little bit uncomfortable about it, but it's fine. But I agree with the whole setting unrealistic expectations. Like I said, mine I like to think is realistic. But that's kind of it with regards to my 2026, or else I'm just like, please just be nice to me. You know, please just be nice to me, 2026. I've seen the empty mind. It's a big version of I'll do it on Monday. Solly, I feel personally attacked because I do that all the time. That doesn't look good. Oh, square bob sponge pants. Why? Go back. What they're doing last year. Goals, get into shape and whatnot. Can't be going to the gym for 2 weeks and stuff. Then set the same goal for the wow. I'm a runner. The amount of people I knew that it was like, I'm gonna start running so I can get fit and go on. In a month that I don't run anymore. Some guy, by the way, I made the fatal mistake. Because remember you said you entered into a race, right? When I say mistake, it's probably a good thing. I made a mistake of telling my uncle, who is like a marathon runner, all about this and how I need to do what you did, which is just enter into a race. Anyways, enter into a race because then I have a goal. So now he's sent me a bunch of races that I need to enter into now. Yes. So that I have that as a goal to look forward to. And he was like, yeah, this one, yeah, you can come and run it with me. I'm like, marathon runner? Struggle with 5Ks. Marathon runner that goes for a casual 8K warm-up run struggles with 5Ks. Sure. I had 3 confluences, Rip. Okay. I want some with my David belt. Some guy, what distance are my races? They're not like hectic. I think. Good question, actually. He sent a bunch of different ones. I think most of them are like 8 to 15Ks. And again, little 5K run over here going, what? Are you crazy? If you got that pass from looking at the 1 minute time, it might be a trap. My brother used to run marathons, then took the, oh damn, that was hot. Oh damn. Yo guys, don't take the easy way out. I have to run my credit card. Fine. Aw. Rubenetta, you're so sweet. I like your glasses, but I am 17. Good for you, but thank you for the compliment. Please and thanks. Does that come with us? Aw. Okay, so if it had tagged me in, it actually would have been correct. Sugar honey iced tea. Okay. Hey! Hey dopamine, what's up? How's it going? It is, Thomas. It just doesn't want me to get in on this today, which is definitely rude and unnecessary, but whatever. Here we are, I guess. I guess we continue, right? We continue and we're going through this. bad, isn't that what? Even no, yeah, I realized you guys are having your own little conversation and I just kind of went, okay, cool. You'll proceed. You'll proceed. I'll stay out of it. You guys enjoy. You guys have fun. You guys have the best time ever. Square Bob Sponge Pants, it's better to not ask questions. Yeah, it's better to not ask questions. OP, oh, I'm so sorry, I missed this. OP, how much money have I made with trading? None yet. I'm not profitable yet. Sorry, I'm here to be very open and honest about my trading journey. I'm still passing an eval account. I'm getting better. I'm getting better. Y'all are my witness. I'm getting there. It's just a slow, steady grind, but we're getting there. I think David loves you. Ooh, Mud Crab. Okay, listen, at least the missus is watching this. Don't let her get jealous. Okay, David, careful. Mud Crab is a taken man. Oh, cool. But I might like the answers. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Exactly, and you gotta start slowly, right, some guy? Yeah, gotta start slowly. Oh, and the weirdness has continued. I see, no, yeah, the weirdness has just continued. Nothing changed throughout Christmas. I'm like glad about that. Also, wow. She's kind of into the boat. Ease into it. Yeah, some guy. Wait, some guy. Wait, some guy. How far is the race you entered for? Like I said, I need to start training now because I was always a short distance runner. I was never a long distance runner, and now I gotta start practicing long distance. Dopamine? You think a short here? I think this thing is running up. Like I said, it took out my point of interest. It took out that imbalance on the 1 hour and the 4 hour. So now it could be going all the way back up. Could be, let's see. Oh, Rahul, you're so sweet. Oh, good talk, guys. Sorry, I hiccups. How's it going? Oh, you finally got 100k eval. You ready to trade? Okay, right now is not the best time to start, but whoop whoop, that is amazing. Kuma, I'm on an eval account. Doesn't mean you don't know about the bob levels. No, he does not. It's basically a really long picnic with less sitting down and lots of scenery. I kind of like that. But also that's really far. Ah, Square Bob Sponge... I'm gonna... Square Bob Sponge Pants. Nailed it. Okay. We're good. We're good. It's getting there. It's getting there. Let's see where this goes. Wait till the 10th of Jan. Holiday trading 8 for the week. Yeah, Mudcrab, I agree. I'm here to just make sure I don't lose all my focus. Can you imagine I waited that long? Wow. I would be then struggling. I'm here to make sure I don't lose all my focus. And at least I'm seeing things correctly. This price action is just not my friend today. And that's okay. It's okay. Doesn't have to be my friend every single day. As long as I'm starting to see things correctly and then you can, you know, get better from there, right? Right. Sorry, I'm trying to be a positive penguin today. Wow, David. Terrible. Absolutely terrible. Okay, cool, guitar guy. Awesome. So how long are you going to wait for? When you're going to start trading again? Just call him Spongy. I think he likes the soapiness. There we go. So is everyone kind of only going to start... Well, I know Rip is starting the 7th. Mudcrab, you're going to start the 10th? Everyone else? When do you guys plan on doing this? Some guy, how's Perry? Shame, he's okay. My aunt and uncle had a dog that didn't like him very much. And shame, she actually bit him. She didn't break any skin or anything, but he was very upset because he didn't do anything. My poor baby. Anyways, only to try to you're starting to bit them. Wow, Amir. You here losing money again? Huh, how rude. No, I'm not. I'm definitely not. We've got this. But we have definitely got this.